Promoting Big Cartel stores and increasing sales is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, focus on product optimization. Invest in professional product photos that showcase your work in the best light. Write clear and concise descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of your products. Research your competitors and price your products accordingly. Consider offering discounts and sales promotions to attract customers. Use relevant keywords throughout your product descriptions and titles to improve search engine optimization, or SEO. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with potential customers. Share photos and videos of your products. Engage in conversations and run targeted ads. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to your subscribers about new products, promotions, and updates. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their audience. Reach out to journalists and bloggers to get your products featured in relevant publications. Create blog posts, articles, or videos related to your products and niche. This helps establish your expertise and attract organic traffic. Partner with other businesses to cross-promote each other's products and expand your reach. Then comes website optimization. Ensure that your Big Cartel store is mobile-friendly for a seamless customer experience on all devices. Make it easy for customers to find what they're looking for by using clear and concise navigation menus. Ensure your checkout process is secure and easy to navigate. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. Track your website traffic and sales to see what's working and what's not. This will help you adjust your marketing and promotion strategies accordingly.